Crisis punishes passive teams. Resilient teams anticipate, simplify, and solve. Okay, break big worries into specific decisions and actions. No? Kung hindi natin kayang solvein yung malaking problema, simulan natin sa maliliit na problema. Sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, importante yung powerful question. No? Na ang mga leader ay tinatanong sa mga team member, ang ating pong intensyon ay masurvive itong crisis na ito, to thrive in this crisis. And in order to do that, we have to make some adjustments in the way that we do our work. Ano po ang inyong maire-recommenda? Yung mga ganun tanong ay importante. No? Sit down with your team, come up with scenario planning conversations. Ask for efficiency and cost-conscious ideas from the team. Ano yung mga pwedeng gawin para makatipid ng gastos, no? We sat down, we talked about it, we talked about possibilities, and we were able to come up with solution. Sometimes, malaking bagay yung we sit down and face the problem together rather than not talk about and pretend it doesn't occur, no? Hindi nangyayari yung problema. Kapag ka sa mga ganitong sitwasyon, apektado ang health ng mga tao. Economic stress often damages sleep,